We live in a world that's all about being smart. We have smartphones, and we live in smart houses that have smart TVs and refrigerators and all sorts of different types of smart appliances. But isn't it time that our bathrooms got smart? Stick around because I'm going to introduce you to Omigo, and it might just change the way that you use your bathroom. This is Wrestling with Tech, where I wrestle with tech so that you don't have to. I recently started renovating my master bathroom, and in the quest to make it the best bathroom possible, I've been looking for all sorts of cool things that I can add to it. So on a whim, I just happened to look up smart toilet. I had no idea whether it actually existed or not, but I decided to take a look, and I wasn't really impressed or pleased with the results, so I just kind of forgot about it. Recently, I went to the mall and I stumbled across a store that has all these really cool futuristic products. And that's where I stumbled into this. It's called Omigo. And what it does is it actually makes your toilet smart. You remove your current toilet seat and you place Omigo over top of it, and it has a bunch of incredible sounding features. Now, I think the top of this box says it the best. It actually says, "The future always seems weird at first." But if you go and you check out Omigo's website and you read the reviews, people are swearing by this thing and saying that once they get an Omigo, they never want to go back. So I'm intrigued. Let's open up this box and see exactly what's inside. Okay, all right, so here's where we're gonna start. Look at this. Welcome to the future. I love that. Who doesn't love the future? Sign me up. Okay, so let's take a look here. It looks like we have the instructions right here. And I took a look at their tutorials online, and it actually looks really easy to install. So I'm very happy about that because I was a little concerned about what this installation process could seem like, and it seems like it's going to be relatively easy. So that's definitely a good thing. Oh yeah, check this out. So this is the remote right here, and it's got a lot of really cool features. I'll just read them to you right now. So rear cleaning, front cleaning, dry cleaning, I guess, and no pun intended. Water pressure, temperature, seat temperature, spray width, water temperature, deodorizer, sterilizer, user 1, user 2, let's go. So you can actually customize 2 different users with Omigo and have your very own personalized settings. So if you like a certain temperature, if you want a certain width. So essentially what this does is it acts as a bidet, but it has a lot more features than your traditional bidet would. It also has a deodorizer, so it deodorizes odors. This is going to be really interesting and neat to try out. And again, the reviews are all super positive and everyone raves about this. This is Omigo. Let's keep going. All right, so here it is, Omigo. Let it be weird. I love the tongue-in-cheek comedy that Omigo has been using here. It's kind of fun. I mean, you know, hey, let it be weird. All right, let's take a look and see what the Omigo actually looks like. Kind of looks like a toilet seat. Let's open it up. Okay, there you go. So it comes in oblong and round depending on you know, your style of toilet here. It does have a little bit of weight to it. Let me bring this down a little bit so you can see it. Give you a side profile right there. On the very top, it says power, eco mode, seat temperature. That's right, you can set a seat temperature so you no longer have to sit on a cold throne, if you will. So that's kind of impressive there. And let's go to the other side. It looks like it has a couple of buttons there. So you've got your power, rear cleaning, and nozzle cleaning. So it looks like it has some cleaning features, self-cleaning features here. So that's very nice. So that's pretty much everything there. The installation is quite simple. If you go to their website, it's myomigo.com. That's O-M-I-G-O. You'll see the installation video. You'll see a really funny video that they produced showing the seat in action. you disconnect your toilet seat, and then you're gonna replace it with a bracket, and then Omigo will just click into place there. So it seems pretty simple. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have any questions, let me know. Okay, so that's the Omigo. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Make sure you follow me on social media, On The Air Alex on Instagram and Facebook, and AlexHP4QVC on Twitter. Until next time, I'll see you right here on Wrestling with Tech.